back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends Forest Tea Party. So this is the smallest set this summer, but it's really cute and I love those mushroom chairs. So let's see what's inside. So we have 2 bags of Lego and 1 guidebook and a green piece of land and also a sticker for the mushrooms. And surprisingly, the Lego bags doesn't have any numbers on them. So this is Paisley and she's wearing a very nice dress and her vest looks really nice too, and her hat is also super cute. So that was Paisley, and this is Alia wearing really nice like this, also kind of like a cardigan, little cardigan with like a butterfly at the back. And it's nice that Paisley is trying lots of new hairstyles because like nowadays she's not really covering her eye. So we have a snail and also a squirrel and also Hopper. So Hopper is a frog, and over here in the basket we have like some berries, I think blackberries inside. Looks so cute, right? So these are all the dolls and the animals in this set. Now let's start building this tea party. Yep, so there's like lots of cupcakes and cakes and teas in the middle of the forest, but I think it would have been nicer if they made the desserts a little bit more like forest like, because it kind of feels awkward like in the middle of a forest suddenly a big pastel tone color cake. So maybe if they put some like maybe flower toppings or make it more like nature friendly sort of cupcake, I think it would have looked nicer. So anyway, this is a tree and there's also like a small house over there, which I think it's for Hopper, or maybe it's for the squirrel. But no, I don't think it's for the squirrel because the squirrel already has its own place on top of the tree. So this tree is quite big. I think this set is going to look so nice with the big set this summer, the forest cabin set. That one was so nice and cozy, right? The cozy is also in its name. It's like cozy forest cabin something, I think. Yeah, so it's autumn leaves as you can see. So I matched the background as well. So the background is orange color, just like this set. So there's an acorn and some lights on top of the tree over there, and we're adding some more like these leafy parts and some mushrooms as well. So these are like smaller mushrooms and the chairs are like much bigger mushrooms, but the chair mushrooms kind of remind me of like poison mushrooms, because you know when you think about poison like mushrooms, they're very fancy and colorful, and this chair is exactly like that. So it's basically what I think of like a poison mushroom, like if I imagine a poison mushroom, it's gonna look like that. And yeah, it's kind of weird sitting on a poison mushroom, but yeah, anyway, maybe they are not poison mushrooms, they just look like it. Anyway, so this is the big table and it looks like it's supported by a tree trunk, I think. And we've got 4 teacups and also a teapot. And over here we've got 4 cupcakes, really fancy cupcakes, which yeah, doesn't really blend in with this whole other thing, but it does look nice though. So this is the end of the build. We've got like some flowers and like pink and purple cupcakes over there. So now we are going to start playing with this set and I'm very excited right now. So as you can see, this set has lots of nice details, like forest details. If I put it next to the cabin set, I think it's going to look very good. So as you can see, the animals are playing in this forest now, and it looks like this place is not for the squirrel because it's a bit small for her. So they're playing in this forest, and now Paisley and Alia are going to arrive here because they are going to have a tea party over here. I love the snail. Isn't it so cute? It's my first snail. So I think so. Yeah, I think it's my first snail. I do have some other sort of snails, but like that exact snail I don't have. So anyway, Alia was picking some blackberries. So she puts the basket over here and she's going to wait for Paisley to have their tea party. So I think I actually put these chairs in the wrong place. Yeah, there you go. These chairs are the best part about this set. I think it looks so cute. And you know, for the pizza truck set as well, the tire wheels, there were like tomatoes, right? Like this summer, the small sets are also really nice too. So now Paisley has arrived, and she's going to pour some tea. Hi, Alia. Hi, Paisley. Oh, hear the sound of nature. This is so awesome, right? Yeah, there are quite a lot of bugs over here, but it's awesome. Yeah, I hope, this autumn lasts for a long time. Yeah, I know autumn is the best season. Yeah, I think so too. Because I mean, like, right now is summer, but this set is autumn, because I think it's because, you know, in autumn there are not new Lego sets. It's just winter and summer, right? So probably that's why they made some like these autumn sets when it's actually summer. Yep. So, oh, this cupcake is really delicious. It's strawberry flavor. What flavor is that? The purple one. I think it's maybe blueberry or maybe blackberry or something like that. Maybe it's grape. Grape cupcake. That's very interesting. Yeah, but I don't really think it's grape. So let's give this blackberry to Hopper. I don't think frogs actually eat berries, because I think they eat flies and stuff like that. But anyway, so now this squirrel is going back to its home, and she's going to eat some acorns. Yeah, and the snail, I think that's Hopper's house, but let's just say that the snail can also go inside. So yeah. So this is the end of their tea party, and now Paisley and Alia are going to go home now. This tea was so good. Yeah, I know. See you tomorrow at school, Paisley. Okay, let's meet at school tomorrow. Bye bye. So this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye. See you next time.